Hi my home cooks, today I'm going to make the perfect spicy and crunchy potato chips at home. This is my first try and it surprisingly came well, so I thought of sharing with you all. Let's get started. Take a few potatoes like these and clean them with water. The potatoes should be fresh, hard on all sides. You can also use a brush to clean the dust where it is difficult for the fingers to reach. Because I'm going to make chips with skin, as I found the peel has maximum nutrients than the inside part. If you don't like it, you can go ahead and peel off the skin. Using a slicer with the thinnest setting, I'm slicing the potatoes and adding them to the water side by side. The potatoes should be thin like this, or else it will be soft at the center like a French fried potato. To check, it should fall easily without breaking. I have this right one wantedly cut little thick to show the exact thickness. If you're chopping with a knife, ensure the same thickness. Wash the starch on the potato slices repeatedly till the water comes out clean. This may take 2 washes. Dry the chips on a cotton cloth under a fan or a sunlight for half an hour. Pat dry once like this and sprinkle some salt evenly on the slices to remove the maximum water from the potato. After 5 minutes, you can see the water comes out of the potato. Pat dry again and leave it for some 10 to 15 minutes. Adding salt at this stage not only removes water but also seasons your chips well. After it dries, you can use the potatoes for deep frying. Add the dried potato slices to a hot oil. When you add the slices, it has to immediately float on top, bubbling like this. Then, after some time, you can see the color change to golden brown and the edges curl up a bit. Lower the flame and remove the chips from oil quickly. Similarly, repeat the same till you fry all the potato slices. And you can also check with one, it's just perfect. Lastly, just add chili powder if you want it to be spicy, and no need of salt because we have already added before drying it. Store it in an airtight container for long-lasting crispiness. So it is ready to enjoy. If you have enjoyed this video, give a small like and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.